Here's a 2017 Ford F-150 Viper add-on remote start to the factory remote. The remote on these newer Ford F-150s are big and bulky, so instead of adding an additional keychain, we put in a Viper system that will link up with the remote. You hit lock 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and it'll crank the engine. So we're gonna do that now. There's 3. A few seconds later, cranks the engine up. Get inside, turn the key in the ignition, and you're on your way. Factory key fob Viper add-on remote start 2017 Ford F-150. Hit lock 3 times again to shut it down. 1, 2, 3. Shuts it down. Keys here. There's no one sitting inside. Got them in stock, ready to go for most vehicles. Come by the shop, check us out. See you guys on the next one.